Samsung Electromechanics, the tech giant's component manufacturing division, has started a high-tech project integrating inkjet printing into smartphone camera design. Traditionally, smartphones use films to manage light reflections, but Samsung is exploring an alternative, matte ink. By replacing films with matte ink, Samsung aims to white heavy checkmark reduce the thickness of the lens and camera module, white heavy checkmark minimize light reflection and ghosting for clearer images, white heavy checkmark provide more design flexibility without sacrificing quality. This approach reshapes the structure of the smartphone camera, opening doors for slimmer devices without compromising imaging performance. Understanding the inkjet printing process in camera design. Samsung plans to apply matte ink technology on the rib surface, which is the outer edge of the optical lens module. This area plays a key role in managing light intake from various angles. The rib helps fix the lens, but it also receives direct light, which can cause image distortions. Light bulb. Why this matters: when reflected light from the rib surface reaches the image sensor, it leads to flare and ghosting, which degrade picture quality. Applying matte ink using inkjet printing effectively creates a barrier, preventing unwanted reflections and improving clarity. Additionally, this innovation allows Samsung to minimize the gap between lenses, meaning thinner camera modules that maintain or even improve image fidelity. Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected upgrades and design enhancements. With this new camera technology, Samsung aims to introduce a sleeker flagship smartphone in early 2026. The thinner camera setup will likely debut with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, reshaping premium smartphone aesthetics. Samsung's recent launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge, featuring a 5.8mm ultra-thin design, proves the brand is committed to slim, lightweight devices. Meanwhile, Apple is rumored to be working on a thinner iPhone, following the same trend. So, what can we expect in the S26 Ultra? Small blue diamond thinner, more refined design, small blue diamond advanced matte ink camera modules for clearer photos, small blue diamond optimized lens structure with better light control, small blue diamond slim yet powerful build, following the industry trend. This shift aligns with consumer demands for sleek, lightweight devices that don't sacrifice flagship-level features. The future of smartphone cameras, a new era for mobile photography. Samsung's inkjet printing project could set new industry standards, influencing future smartphone designs. The combination of compact lens modules and advanced light management paves the way for next-gen imaging systems, offering white heavy checkmark ultra-thin smartphones with powerful camera tech, white heavy checkmark sharper, more refined image output, white heavy checkmark greater design flexibility without hardware compromises.